Why do you think people are failing their CA final exams? Did they not write their exams well? Maybe, but we need to take a step back. Did they not prepare well? Maybe, but this is not it. We need to take one more step back. And what went wrong? Articleship. Most of the people who are failing their CA final exams failed to study for their CA finals in their articleship. See, I'm not expecting any one of you to study for the exams from day one of your articleship. I'm not expecting you to study in the first 5 months also. All I'm saying is when you take a tax season so seriously and you give 12 to 14 hours of your day in doing tax work, then why can't you take your own studies seriously? Never ever blame your principal for what he has not done. He has not done anything to you. He's not asked you to come 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. to office. You have this time for yourself and you're not doing your classes. The question arises as to where you're lacking. You're lacking in your motivation and dedication. I am not here to motivate you and I'm not here to improve your dedication skills. I'm only here to tell you that you're lacking both of them. Your principal has asked you to work on something. Okay, it has taken you until 12 a.m. to complete the work. Yes, you are tired, but who told that you cannot complete your classes early in the morning from 6 to 9? If you do not have this discipline today, then you will start moving on to mistakes and mistakes. With these mistakes, when you reach your exam preparation leave, you're only rectifying the mistakes you have made in last 2 years. When you reach your exam hall, you are only going to reflect on these mistakes. I'm nowhere concerned whether or not your firm is good or bad. I'm nowhere concerned whether or not your principal has asked you to work extra hours. All I'm concerned is whether or not you're using 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. time properly. For some people, you guys are privileged, they reach home at 7 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. They have time from 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. So I don't ask you guys to study 6 to 8 hours a day with office. You need to relax yourselves on a daily basis, and that is important as well. But all I'm saying is 3 hours in your day is not something you should make excuse about. Your principal is nowhere obliged to care about your exams. The same way you are nowhere obliged to give 18 to 20 hours of your day into some office. If there is a season, that is only something professional for you to do. But if there is no season and you're still thinking about office after you get back home or before you go to office, that means you're giving your hours to office where you can study. People, when you have 2.5 years for your exams, CA final exams, and you still do not clear, then that is really a sad thing. And you only come to realization through a very sad way, which is a fail in your exam results. I don't expect you to become a ranker. Frankly, there are only 50 people among 7,000-8,000 people who actually get a rank. But there are at least 7,000 people who are clearing without a rank, and these people have done things properly. There is part of them that has inculcated some discipline in their articleship. I believe CA final is easier than IPCC or Inter and Foundation because this time what you are studying is coming from a realistic and practical point of view. You have better understanding of what you are studying. And if you still cannot clear these exams, it is your lack of discipline. Do not blame your firm or principal or your work or your clients or anyone if you are not having the discipline to study for 3 hours in your day during your articleship. Then it is only your last minute preparations that can save you. And if you're not the candidate who can inculcate discipline, then I have videos for last minute preparations as well. But I hope it is not something you are relying on to pass. That's it from my end. Do well in your CA finals, but most importantly, do much better in your articleship. All the best. Thank you.